Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So the Euro dollar is finding a little bit of support at the 78%, but that definitely doesn't tell me any information really whatsoever. The trend is very heavily down, and if it really is kind of a flat pattern, then it potentially would go all the way down to here and maybe even beyond. So this little move up right here could just be a pullback within a downtrend, so be very, very cautious with assuming that this needs to go up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it would be a different story if we had a nice clear break of structure. For me, the nice clear break of structure would be this blue line right here. So if we break this high right here, then we are definitely in some sort of a bullish pattern, and potentially I would be okay looking for longs at that point. Even though it's very sideways right now, I mean, the trend is definitely down, and if you were catching all these little shorting opportunities as potentially a day trader or a scalper, it might be some really good trades. So definitely still recommending shorts unless we get this break of structure. My recommendation is be very, very careful this week. It is a very, very big holiday week, and it definitely could cause this type of price action pretty much all week long. So definitely be aware of the big holiday week that we are currently in. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.